Love you too, Marvell. Say, peekaboo. Can y'all see me? Say no, because I got all that hair on my face. I got all that hair. Say, don't judge my eyebrows. My TT got to get it together. This is the limb kit. Done as a girl. Okay. Alright, limb got a head full of hair, y'all. Yeah, I got a head full of hair. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Alright, let's get some soap up in that head. Let's get some soap up in that head. Alright. Hold on, ma'am. Uh-oh. TT, you can't forget that. I know, right? Say, we gotta put the strainer in. Just in case there's some stragglers. Alrighty. There we go. Alrighty. Y'all see this long hair? Say peekaboo. Say peekaboo. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. I am. Get it clean. I am. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. I am. Get it clean. I am. Clean my hair. Clean my hair. Oh, clean my hair. Clean my hair. Get it clean, TT. Get it clean, TT. Clean. Clean my hair. All right. Let's make sure we got all that soap out good. Okay. Which I think we do. For the most part. Alright, hold on. And I just rub going down so I don't tangle it up. Because I've already combed it out. We don't want to tangle the hair, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we're going to twist this. And, yeah. I think we got it clean, y'all. Uh-oh. Did you get it clean? Okay, good. I thought you went inside there, but you didn't, girl. Nope, we still got some soap up in here. Y'all, we still got some soap up in here. Let's get this soap out. Let's get this soap out. Ooh. Ooh. We can't have you having no soap now. All right, let's see. Did we get it all out? All right. And I'm going to do a twist. Make sure. I mean, not make sure, but get all that extra water out. All righty. Say. Woo. Woo. Say, don't worry, my TT gonna get them. Oh, TT on her grind, trying to shine. Oh, hit that like button one at a time. Welcome to the woo 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 baby family. Oh, this is the place you wanna be, cause I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, unlimited fun. I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, unlimited fun. Oh, Reborn babies. Mukbang, yeah. Vlog, maybe. I'm just throwing some stuff in. Break it down. Oh.